Hello, fashion friends and family. This is Stacy here from Sew Bromo, Mason Elsa Fitzgerald, and the Fashion Heritage Needle Trades Foundation. I want to tell you a bit about the Intro to Sewing Wovens. It is our core course. This is the course you have to take if you want to take any of our sewing classes. It's a prerequisite. And the reason for that is to ensure that you are following the correct techniques and methods, but also to get level set everyone for our other courses. Everything is provided for you, everything from the machines, equipment, materials. It is taught by an industry expert who's been, working in everything from like product development to and production management, but also has her own fashion line and makes her own sample garments. Nicole Myrick is the educator from Belvedere Terrace Atelier, and her fashion line is called Icosa Apparel. You will be making a pair of pants in this particular class. It's working with the woven, so it's a lot more manageable when you're learning. And so what's really fun as well is that you are learning in a fashion school environment within the garment district of Baltimore. Well, we look forward to seeing you in class. Bye.